Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Interior Decor Ideas. Today's video is about bedroom storage space. If your bedroom is small in size and if you are looking to add more storage to your bedroom, then this video is for you. Here I will share 5 smart solutions that will add unlimited storage to your bedroom. Yes, you heard it right. This storage idea will add lots of space to your bedroom. So I request you to watch the video till the end, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first one is go for a storage bed. Storage beds is one of the oldest storage solution. However, you can plan it smartly with different material and hardwares. The bed boxes have become more accessible and easier to use these days. The next is the furniture with built-in storage. So, I would suggest to invest in built-in storage furnitures. This will help to conceal and organize your unwanted stuffs, or you can say store more in style. The next is to make use of bedside tables. Bedside tables were used to place a lamp, a book, or a glass of water. We usually ignore the wall above the side table. However, you can utilize it wisely if you are facing space scarcity in your bedroom. Let's solve your space crunch with a standard bedside table. Adding floating shelves or low shutter can function like a mini chest of drawers. Then floor space is at a minimum. The next is plenty of shelves. Wall mount shelves are excellent for maximizing your storage space. If you want to make the most of your space, you must organize your wardrobe with the help of different organization products available in the market. For example, you can use baskets, drawers, shelf dividers, drawer organizer, etc. to organize your wardrobe properly. Even these days, modular closet system is in trends. For example, pull-out clothes racks, tie, scarf and pet racks, trouser modular racks, etc. The next is you can go for a Murphy bed. New style by having a platform or Murphy bed. Murphy beds save space because the bed folds up flat against a wall when not being used, and you get more of floor space. However, platform beds provides you the underbed storage space that is specially used for people living in small apartments. So, if you are planning to renovate your bedroom, you can also plan to have such kind of bed as per your own convenience and requirement. Well, these are the 5 smart storage solutions. I hope you like these ideas, and if you want me to make more such like videos or interior design tips, do let me know in the comment sections. And last but not the least, hit the like, share and the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.